Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to get Adobe Photoshop for free. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your browser, and here you're gonna be able to see, the results. And here it says, if you want to get the Photoshop for free, just it says new customers can start a 7-day free trial of Photoshop at any time. You can click start a free trial. If you're using if you're using PC or laptop, you could just go ahead to the official Adobe website and then try or sign up for the free trial. But if you're like me using iPhone, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and try to find the Adobe Photoshop. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and type Adobe Photoshop, right? And basically I'm gonna find it right here, basically, right? And as you can see right here, this is like Adobe, or yeah, Adobe Photoshop Express photo editor, and basically you're gonna find it right here. And it's amazing, actually amazing app to actually use, from filtering your photos to removing background to adding in texture, which is very, very amazing. I tried it before on my laptop, and basically gonna be able to try multiple features, including the AI features. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.